there are some things here which are quite hard to get your head around. This is organic plastic, in a manner of speaking. This is called Kombucha. Now you see, Kombucha is a mixture of bacteria and yeast, which obviously, as you know, is a kind of fungus. And what happens is that they connect together, and the biochemical reaction they have creates a kind of cellulose, which can then be baked and used as objects, as you can see here. Now, okay, the finish might not be super sexy. In fact, that does look a little bit like something out of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. However, it is an organic building material through a totally natural bioprocess. That is very, very important for the survival of this planet. That is massively cool. On the other hand, things that are less important for the survival of the planet are battling robots. Yeah, so over there we're saving the world, over there we're building a race of machines which will almost certainly annihilate us just for fun. That's kind of the magic of the Maker Faire, and I think, you know, if you get the chance to go here, there are Maker Fairs travelling around the country. You will see it coming to lots of different places. If you, oh look, wait, I'm such a geek, that's Razor. No, that's Venom from Robot Wars. It was Razor originally and they've changed the name. Must be a new version of it. Anyway, if you get a chance to go to a Maker Faire, it's travelling to Brighton, it's going to Manchester, it's going to various other places. It's absolutely worth the day out. It is mind-bending. I've only shown you a little bit of what's here today, but it seems right that I should leave you with some pole dancing robots. From the Maker Faire here in Newcastle, I'm going to sign off and say peace. No, wait a minute, I am not going to sign off this video with lap dancing, pole dancing robots. That ain't cool. This is cool. As I was just opposite the pole dancing robots, we have a Mars rover, Astrium. Look at that. I got to ask the guy some questions, because this is the closest I'm probably ever going to get to Mars. This is, I never dreamt I'd be seeing something this awesome. Tell us all about him.
Well, the ones that are up to date have been American Mars rovers. Now this is the first prototype for the Europe. So this is called Bridget. It's the first one that was designed. From this, if you look on the screen at the back, we've got Bruno. The staff is a little bit different, the wheels a little bit different, so that's evolved from this. So that's more like the design that will actually be sent up into space. And the planned date for launch in 2018.
So I don't know an awful lot about rocket scientists. You've probably guessed that from watching this video. So I know though that weight saving is very important. How do you go about squeezing the weight over this? Or as they used to say in the motor racing industry, adding lightness?
Well, basically it's looking at the materials that we use. So if you look at the structure there, it's a lot of aluminium. It's quite strong, but then also light. So it's a case of just seeing what you need and then just like, you know, working out what kind of new materials, as things advance and stuff, doing all the test analysis to be able to keep the integrity of it, also keep the weight down.
Okay, that's amazing. Now, one other thing is that the wheels seem incredibly articulated. And I'm looking at the complexity of the construction and thinking, this is going to be on another planet, it's 4 years away, you can't get up there with a spanner to do stuff. How do you plan for that?
In terms of stuff, it's just going, well, this has been in development for at least 6-7 years, and as you just said, it's another 5 years. So a lot of this has just been all the testing and configuration to make sure that, as you're right, it actually works, because if anything goes wrong, then you're not going to be able to fix it. So redundancy is key, things have to work. So on board, a lot of the key systems, there'll be replacements to backup, but in terms of the actual physical structure, just have to go through all the tests. So what will happen is once the test model's done, they'll build a completely new flight model, do various tests, but not too much, not to destroy essentially, and then that one will be sent up into space.
Okay, that is quite amazing. So when does Bruno, is he going to launch? Is he going up with Ariane, one of the European Space Programme initiatives? Proton. Okay, and how long before he takes off?
2018.
2018.
5 years.
Okay, so you've only got 5 years to work it out.
Good job, yeah.
This is number 1, Bruno's number 2, Bradley we've got as well, there's 3, and there's a 4th chassis now already, so...
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Each time taking lessons learned from this one, more flexible wheels. On the top stand it has a bigger surface area, gives you more grip. As we're going up the chassis, going up sand dunes, if you go straight out you're going to dig yourself in. On the newest one it creates a spin. As it displaces the sand it creates an upward vector and it will spin its way up the dune rather than go straight out.
Wow. That is amazing. That's what the robotics section should be about, not the lap dancing robots, who are a bit sexier to look at than this one. When it comes to sexy technology, yeah, Bridget's got it all, man. Guys, thank you. Best of luck in 2018.
Oh, well, thank you.
Awesome. Okay, so just before I leave the Maker Faire, I bumped into this guy who I recognise from my youth. You know, I think he might be a clone. They don't like you to talk about it. I want to ask the question, have you found the droids you're looking for?
Yes, sir.
Oh, they have found them. And I'm guessing then the rebellion's been crushed.
The rebellion is definitely being crushed.
The rebellion has been crushed. That's kind of a sad note to end on. But on the other hand, hey, that dark side really rocks, okay? I better go. All right, Maker Faire out.